Good morning. In this pandemic era, online teaching and examination got more importance, and the easiest way to conduct the examination in the online platform is Google Forms. Here we need to put the questions and its options also in the MCQ. And there are so many types of question formats are there, that is the MCQ, short answers, long answers, tick out, true, false. But when we are going to feed the questions in our Google Forms, it's a tedious job and it takes much more time. So today we will learn how to import the questions from the Excel sheets. Here we will be able to upload the bulk questions from Google Sheet to Google Form. For that, we have to prepare the question sheet in Excel format. This is the format. Here you can see in the cell A, I have written the serial numbers. Then in the column B, there is questions, and for column C, D, E and F, there are the options of these questions. And now you need to save the file into the Google, or you can do like this also. You just go to new, then Google Sheet. The Excel sheet like format will be opened, and here you can select the questions like this. You can select the questions and copy it and go to the sheet, Google Sheet we have opened in the Google Drive. Just paste it here. You can see whatever the questions we have added in our Google Sheet, now it is being copied here. This one is the questions, and then this one is the option 1, option 2, option 3 and fourth option of our questions. You can see it. You save this file and give the name of the exams whatever you want to conduct. I am giving the name AHM, the subject code is there, AHM 101 exam, and you can save the this Google Sheet in your drive. Now you go to Google Forms. Here you just click it and the Google Form application will open. You can go to the blank format of the quiz format. Now this type of Google Form will open. You can just name the Google Form as per your requirement. I am giving the name AHM 101. Here also the file name that it will be automatically displayed. You can write the description of the Google Form here. I am just pasting it. You can write the semester, date of the examination, name of the subject, code of the subjects, examination time, total marks, and even the any instructions to be given, that also be pasted over here. Now for importing the question from Google Sheet, we need to have one add-on. You can just click here, it is the menu option, just beside your photo. You go to add-ons. The add-on page will open, and here there are so many applications are there, but for uploading the questions we need form builder. So you just find it, the form builder. Here you can see it is the form builder is there. I am just clicking it, and you have to install that form builder over here. It will automatically install. You just have to select your account in which the Google Form Builder is being installed. You have to allow and give all the permissions whichever asked by the installer, and just you done. Now we have installed the form builder in my Google Form application. Now you just close it. Here form builder will appear. This is the add-ons logo will appear automatically as you install the form builder, and you have to just click it and start. So pop-up window will open and it will show the selection of this Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Docs. Here we have to select the Google Sheets. So whatever the Google Sheets stored in your drive will appear here. Here you have to select the sheet in which your questions are uploaded. Here this one is our sheet. I am selecting it. So it will appear here. So, and you see that we have pasted questions in our sheet 1. There may be more sheets also, but our questions are in the sheet 1. So you have to select the sheet 1 here, and then we have to import what? Only questions and answers also. So we are also going to import the questions as well as its options also. So I have selected question and answers, and we have to provide the range of the Excel sheet from where to where we have to take. You can see here, this one is the A1 cell, this one is the B1 cell, and this one is the F1 cell, and so on. We have pasted our questions, and in the last question is at A49. You can see here F49. Questions is in the A14 or B49, and the last option is in the F49. So now what we have to do here? Here we have to provide the range. After clicking the question answer, you have to give the range. That is, our range is from B column. Here you can see our first questions is in the B1, and our total data is stored up to F49. You can see here, this one is the F49. So you have to define the range, that is B1 to F49. Then you have to define the columns of the questions as well as answers. So our question, you can see here, our questions are in column B. So we have to select the column B over here. So question column is at B, and answer column starts from C. Here you can see it starts from C, then D, E, and ends at column F. So here you can select the column F, means our questions are in the column B, our answers will start from column C, and it will ends at the column F. Now you just click the get option. So it will process, and all the questions that you have stored in your Google Sheet it will be imported over here. So total this much questions we have selected, and it is already been imported over here. So you can see the 49 questions whatever we have stored in our Google Sheet. It was 49 questions were there. All the questions are uploaded here, and now you have to import these selected questions to our Google form. But before that, you can make the questions required or optional. You can just click the required. So all the questions imported will be marked as required options only. Now you just click on import selected. Now it will import your question from Google Sheet to our Google form. Here you can see one by one questions are being uploaded. It is coming. You can see all the questions have been imported here successfully. You can see this one is the last question, that is the which of the following microorganisms. You can see it will be the same, which of the following microorganisms uses, and these are the 4 options of that is photoautotrophs, photoheterotrophs. You can see photoautotrophs, photoheterotrophs, and all are marked as compulsory. You can see here the red star is there, so it shows that it is the compulsory questions. So accordingly, as per your requirement, you have to change the settings and all that, and once you have to verify whether all the questions are imported correctly or not. You can see here, so each question is imported along with its options. You can see.